Imagine the wealth you could build for yourself if you weren't forking out thousands of dollars each month in interest to the bank. Did you know that there was another option? Simply put, either your mortgage can keep you shackled to a bank for the next 30 years while they line their pockets with all the interest you must pay, or you can finally own your own home in just 5 to 7 short years and cut the bank off forever. The choice is quite simple, actually. Liberate yourself with truth and equity. You need the right tool set to gain financial independence and change the course of your life and the life of your children forever. It's more than just consolidating your debt or refinancing for a lower interest rate. Truth and Equity delivers powerful and practical tools that allow you to save thousands and tens of thousands of dollars. This can transform your life and put you on a new track to building wealth for years to come. Join thousands of others who have found the financial solutions to paying off their mortgages faster, getting out of debt forever, and reaching their financial potential with Truth and Equity.